How to check your car before driving. Safety checks you should know. Importance of pre-drive safety checks. Before hitting the road, conducting pre-drive safety checks on your car isn't just about avoiding mechanical mishaps. It's a fundamental practice that safeguards your life and those of others. Each year, countless incidents occur not because of reckless driving but due to preventable vehicle failures. Imagine being stranded in the middle of nowhere because of a flat tire you could have noticed had you taken a minute to walk around your vehicle, or recognizing brake failure in action rather than during your routine check. Establishing a brief yet comprehensive pre-drive ritual can be as crucial as wearing a seatbelt. This habitual inspection goes beyond ensuring functionality. It's an opportunity to connect with your vehicle, understanding its quirks and signals. It transforms from a mere task into an insightful interaction where you learn to anticipate issues before they escalate into hazardous situations. Integrating these checks seamlessly into your departure routine enhances not only personal safety but also instills an invaluable consciousness towards responsible driving. By adopting this essential practice, drivers elevate their journey from being merely safe to thoroughly prepared for the road ahead, embodying the true essence of proactive vehicular stewardship. Check your tires, pressure and condition. Regular tire checks are often overlooked, yet they're paramount in ensuring your safety on the road. The proper tire pressure not only guarantees a smoother ride but also significantly enhances fuel efficiency. Imagine your vehicle as a living organism. Tires are its feet, the very foundation that connects it to the road. Driving with underinflated tires is akin to running in loose sandals, inefficient and perilous. Conversely, overly inflated tires can lead to decreased traction and an increased risk of blowouts, especially during high-speed journeys. Another critical aspect often missed is examining tire tread depth and overall condition. Worn-out treads compromise the ability of your car to grip the road effectively, particularly hazardous in wet conditions where hydroplaning can occur. An easy way to check tread depth is through the penny test. Insert a penny into the tread groove with Lincoln's head upside down. If you can see all of Lincoln's head, it's time for new tires. Furthermore, be vigilant about spotting any cracks or bulges on your tire's sidewalls. Such damages can lead to catastrophic failure when driving at highway speeds. By integrating these simple checks into your routine, you become a proactive guardian of your journey's safety and ensure that every trip begins on the right foot, or tire. Inspect lights and signals, visibility and communication. When it comes to ensuring your car's safety and readiness before hitting the road, inspecting lights and signals goes beyond mere compliance with legal requirements. It's a vital measure for effective visibility and communication. Imagine cruising on a foggy evening or navigating through an unexpected storm without properly functioning headlights or taillights. Such scenarios not only heighten the risk of an accident due to reduced visibility but also significantly impair your ability to communicate intentions to other drivers, from lane changes to sudden stops. In the digital age, where automotive technology evolves rapidly, keeping abreast of innovative features like adaptive lighting systems can offer an edge in safety and convenience. These cutting-edge systems adjust the beam pattern of your headlights based on speed, external lighting conditions, and steering input, essentially allowing the car to communicate with its surroundings more effectively. By regularly checking that all your vehicle's lights function correctly, including turn signals, hazard lights, brake lights, and reverse lights, you ensure that this non-verbal dialogue between you and other road users remains clear and uninterrupted. Thus, dedicating a few moments to this simple check can dramatically reduce potential hazards on the road by enhancing both visibility and communication, a small step towards safer driving experiences for everyone involved. Fluid levels check. Oil, coolant, and brake fluid. Diving under the hood of your car to scrutinize fluid levels might not be everyone's idea of fun, but think of it as a health check for your vehicle. Beyond oil, coolant, and brake fluid being the lifeblood for your car's vital organs, they are also telling signs of potential issues lurking beneath. For instance, perennially low coolant could whisper tales of an undiagnosed leak or worse, an impending engine overheat that could leave you stranded in the least convenient moments. Monitoring oil isn't just about quantity but digging into its quality as well. Oil that looks gritty or has lost its amber hue is sending distress signals about the engine's inner workings needing attention. Similarly, brake fluid levels should never be ignored. A decrease suggests possible leaks in the brake system, which compromises not only vehicle safety but also redefines skid marks from thrilling to threatening. With every peep into these reservoirs lies an opportunity to preemptively address minor concerns before they escalate into financial and mechanical nightmares, turning routine checks into heroic acts of preventive care for your beloved commute companion. Test brakes and steering for responsiveness. Assessing the windscreen, wipers, and mirrors isn't just about ensuring a clear view. It's about orchestrating a seamless interaction with the road ahead. Consider this. Your windscreen acts as the lens through which the drama of the road unfolds, and any crack or chip can distort this critical view. It's not merely an aesthetic issue but a foundational aspect of driving safety. Wipers are your unsung heroes during inclement weather, clearing away nature's impediments for an unobstructed view. Their efficiency can dramatically diminish over time, leaving you battling to see through streaks and smears on that all-important lens. Meanwhile, mirrors serve as your eyes where they can't naturally reach, offering crucial perspectives of your vehicular surroundings. A quick adjustment ensures no character in this high-speed drama remains unseen. Together, these components form an essential triad that frames our interaction with every journey. Neglect them at your peril. Assess windscreen, wipers, and mirrors condition. In the realm of road safety, adopting a proactive stance by embracing regular car checks transcends mere prudence. It's an essential ritual that intertwines closely with the fabric of responsible driving. It fosters not just a safer journey for you and your passengers but protects all road users. Imagine if every driver committed to this simple practice. The collective impact could dramatically shift the landscape of road safety statistics, potentially ushering in an era where accidents due to vehicle failures are nothing but a rare anomaly. This mindset shift towards regular vehicle inspections can also unveil unexpected benefits, transforming mundane checkup routines into gateways for deeper understanding and connection with our vehicles. Such diligence does more than safeguard journeys. It cultivates a sense of reliability and assurance that every turn taken is underpinned by meticulous care. Ultimately, this practice doesn't just echo in the chambers of safety but reverberates through the very essence of mindful driving, creating ripple effects that extend beyond visible horizons. By embedding these checks into our driving ethos, we champion not only our well-being but embrace our role as custodians of safer roads for everyone. Regular checks for safe driving. In wrapping up the conversation on safe driving, it's crucial to emphasize that regular checks are not just about ticking boxes. They're a proactive approach to safeguarding your life and that of others on the road. Each time you conduct these inspections, you're essentially engaging in a dialogue with your vehicle, learning its quirks and understanding its needs better. This ongoing process allows you to preempt potential issues, ensuring that every journey is as safe as possible. It transforms routine checks from mundane tasks to acts of mindful care, the kind that spells the difference between averting danger and walking into it. Embracing this practice wholeheartedly calls for an appreciation of safety beyond statutory obligations. It is about cultivating a culture of vigilance and responsibility. The commitment to regular vehicle checks before hitting the road equips drivers with not just peace of mind but also an enhanced sense of connection with their vehicles. It serves as a reminder that safety isn't static. It's dynamic, evolving with every mile covered. Thus, each check becomes an integral step towards fostering safer roads, one driver, one vehicle at a time.